An apple, 116 calories. Cola, 200 milliliters, 86 calories. Which will make you fatter? Answer, cola, even though it has a less number of calories. Regular cola, 86 calories. Diet cola, 0 calories. Which will make you fatter? Answer, diet cola. Seems surprising? We've always been taught that calories are the biggest mantra for weight loss. So all of us started counting calories like maniacs. But research shows that calories do not play such a big role. In fact, eating less food and starving is not sustainable in the long term. Over 95% of the people who follow the method of eat less fail. But there is hope. We can actually eat more to lose weight. And it is actually hormones in your body which determine your weight. Some hormones help in burning fat, whereas others help in storing fat. And through food, you can control your hormones to control your weight. Let's understand why calorie model is faulty. All calories are not equal. 100 calories of cola will make you fat as it releases fat-storing hormones, whereas 100 calories of apple will make you slim by releasing fat-burning hormones. Diet cola makes you fatter. If calories were important, then diet cola and artificial sweeteners would be perfect for weight loss. But that's not the case. Research shows diet cola increases your chance of gaining weight by 50%. The reason again, hormones. Calorie counting does not consider stress or sleep. How many calories does sleep have? How about stress? A silly question, right? But they determine your weight and health. Timing matters. The calorie model does not give away any importance to timing. But the truth is that timing matters a lot. Hence, one should always eat a heavy breakfast and a light dinner. So say no to counting calories.
Possible.
Replaces the old science of calorie counting with the new science of hormonal fat burning. Try
possible
and lose weight by eating more.